All right. Hey guys, hope everyone is doing well. Today we're doing packing for Paris. It's kind of a new segment for us. Usually we do a couple fit picks, what we're going to wear, but we're going to try something different, a little bit more of a lifestyle approach. What am I going to bring and why and how I'm going to pack this all into my carry-on suitcase. For me, I like to pack for function. So I want to be comfortable, I want to be warm, I want to be dry. So I got the gear for it and we're going to just go through it. So first we're going to go through my pants. My pants section is an easy one. I'm going to wear these cargos on the plane. Just has more pockets than I need. I've broken them really well. So these military surplus M65 cargo pants. I got these orSlow Grand Dad jeans. These are so comfortable now, really worn in, almost a year of wearing them. And then these are the bobby pants from Hansen. Nice wide leg, really comfortable, brushed cotton, so great to wear. I've got two jackets. I've got this beautiful vintage first pattern World War II military herringbone shirt. And then I have an orSlow Type 1 denim jacket. And underneath those, I have two button-up shirts. I've got this Lazy Day shirt from Universal Works. And I've got this striped Oxford from Norse Projects. And then I have here my favorite sweater. It's this Chamula merino wool. And it's just really chunky. It's been about maybe over 6 years of having it. I love the way it regulates the temperature. It breathes really well, keeps me really warm. So this is definitely something I'm going to wear on the plane. So this sweater, my cargo pants, this chunky jacket, and this vest is all coming with me on the plane. Luckily, I can always take things off while I'm sitting down, use it as a blanket, use this as a pillow. I'm going for maximum comfort. For accessories, I got here my Hestra Norse Projects gloves. They've held up through the years, about 6 years old now. I still use them. I've got my beanies from HW Dog. So I got this mohair one, got this black one. I've got this traveling hat, just in case it rains. It's really nice, packs really small, just like fold it up, nice and tight, and then just bust it out again. Keeps your head dry in the rain. I got some ties, but the ties I'm not gonna wear throughout the trade show. That's I can't be bothered taking it on and off when I'm trying stuff on. So that's a pure dinner play. And then for footwear, I have these for the plane. These are just the New Balance loafers. I just like to be able to kick them off really easily, and they're comfortable and they look great. So there's that option. And then here are the Amandolas. I wore this for like a 2-hour photo shoot. They're extremely comfortable right off the gate. So I'm just gonna wear these the entire time. And with this hiking boot, I'm gonna bring some thicker Rototo socks, which we recommend. And I also have this beautiful alpaca sock from Mont Italy. They're super soft and comfortable. I cannot wait. They are on the pricier side. We're thinking about bringing it in, but they are worth every penny. Okay. For bags, I have my day bag, which is like a Southwest 8 waist/shoulder bag. What I generally do is I pack this in my backpack. This is generally an electronics bag for me, so I have all my cables and my headphones, everything I really need for the plane. I keep it in there, along with my DOP kit. Also goes on the plane. I like to brush my teeth just after takeoff. I want to just sleep throughout the plane, which brings me to a good eye mask. Definitely need that for the plane. But to get back to this bag, when we're out for a long day, I actually have another bag here, the Southwest 8 mesh grocery bag. Super lightweight, really comfortable. It's got a shoulder strap still, got handles, packs really small. I just use this in case I need to take off a few layers, it gets hot, or if it's not raining anymore, I can use it to bag that stuff. Also carries all my cables and chargers that I need for the day, because we're taking over 100 pictures, every day just for looking at samples and stuff. Got my trusty water bottle, which we definitely need for the plane ride. And that's pretty much about it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pack this all into my suitcases, my carry-ons. So check it out. I actually have more room than I thought.